Yeah. Action.
Hi, teacher. I'm gonna build a rover, but I don't need the instructions. So, I'll put this down. Get the receiver. Do you know what I'm gonna call it?
No.
I'm gonna call it the driving LED. Do you know why?
Okay, why?
Because it got LEDs.
Let me see the LED. Okay, well, we'll see.
The LED's on the front. Goes on the front.
Okay, keep doing.
Okay, remember? Okay, we're gonna use all the cables. So we're gonna need all of the cables. Oops. Okay. We're gonna need...
What is that there you're plugging?
Oh, it's just a wire.
And what does the orange mean?
Well, orange is positive.
No, you need to put this one part. Okay.
There. So the top should be positive. Try another one. I'll try another cable. And I'll try another cable.
And what is the gray one?
That one would be negative. It'd be negative.
Negative.
It's negative. And don't forget to save some wires. Because you're gonna need them for the LED.
Okay.
You connect the green one to the green wire, to the green circle. See? There's also one on the Rover connector.
Okay.
There's also green circles. There's no red circles on the Rover connector. This one will be yellow, so it would be, whoops. So it would plug in here. And there is a purple one that you should plug it in the same color.
And do you know what the colors do?
They do this and the colors. It's just so you know where the cables go.
Okay. Okay.
So, one more another cable. Cable's missing. It's the white one. It can drive, but it has an LED. So these two wires aren't gonna be connected to here.
No.
Or else it won't work.
Okay.
So it got to be connected. The black one will be negative. The red one will be positive.
Okay.
So let's see. Any switches that I could use?
What is that?
It's a slide switch. S1.
Okay. How does it work?
You just slide it around.
Okay. On and off.
That's all.
Okay.
Shut it off because I don't want it on now. One time I made my own rover. I used a capacitor.
And what's a capacitor do?
This is the capacitor. This is a small capacitor. This is a big capacitor.
Okay.
And the capacitors, I guess I don't need a slide switch.
No? Okay. Put it together quickly.
A capacitor helps it to draw. A capacitor makes it... Oh, I forgot. I made a circuit. I have made a tiny circuit. It works. The tiny circuit works. It works. Oops. I discovered that this tiny circuit works. This tiny circuit works. It's just a small circuit. I'm gonna put the same thing that I made the circuit out of here. This is gonna be the black one. Whoops. I think I'm gonna shrink the black one a little bit. You know why? Because it's a little. It's not necessary to have all this cable. And we're not gonna need too much cable. See, you just gotta get a few loops. Whoops. And make sure not to do too many loops. Because then it won't work.
Okay.
Then it won't stretch out all the way.
Your red cable?
Yep, the red cable. The red cable is actually the same as large as this. The same. Do some loops. It's a little larger than the black one, so you gotta do a bit more loops. There. Oh.
Just pull the loops. Pull the loops.
I'm gonna undo the loops because it's actually necessary to have more. Do you know why? Because it's gonna be on this side, the cable.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use this. So I'm gonna use a jumper, the resistor. Can we put the resistor right in? I'm gonna move the LED somewhere else. I'm gonna put the resistor right. Well, I'm gonna use a three-way connector. So I'm gonna put the resistor right in here.
Yep.
I just made a tiny circuit and it worked.
But you know what? The resistor needs to go before the LED.
Yeah. So, the resistor goes first. I just made a circuit and it worked.
And then there goes the LED, right?
See? Works. Try to do
What we learned is that the resistor goes before. So before is before the plus sign. Right?
It's before. The resistor goes before. It's the LED.
And this way you're putting it after. You need to put it before.
This is positive. Going here.
This is positive and this is negative. Okay, so you have it wrong because this you're putting negative on the positive side.
Oh yeah, you're right. I think I gotta turn the LED around. I think I gotta turn the whole circuit around.
You had it right.
Try turning the circuit around. I gotta turn the whole circuit around. There. That's better. It's called driving LED. You know? See? Lights up by itself.
Yep. That's why it wasn't lighting up. Now it's lighting up, right? Okay, so now show me if it runs. Does it run? Put it on the floor.
I'll go see. It should run. What's wrong? Don't think it's on the right channel. It's on channel B. Channel B doesn't do. We're supposed to obey this. Wait, I think something went wrong.
Is it running or not?
It is running.
Okay, well, what is wrong then?
It should light up every single second. But I press this button or this button, and it's not doing what I want. Try another one.
Okay, wait till I just have one more question. What will happen if you don't put a resistor before the LED?
It would burn.
Oh,
The LED would burn.
why?
Because there's too much electricity going. A resistor is holding some electricity back. The ohms hold it back.
Okay.
Some resistors don't have colors. They just tell you on it. That's why they're bigger. But small resistors, they got color codes because it would be too small to see the words.
Okay. And how big is this resistor? Do you know?
Well, it's not that big.
What's the number on this? How many ohms?
It, it looks like
Brown is?
brown is 0.
No, brown is 1.
Yeah. 1,
Black is?
0
And the red one?
is
2. Which means that you add
102
no,
ohms.
no. The red one just means that you add 2 zeros at the end of this number.
Yeah.
So 1 0 plus 2 zeros. What is that?
100.
No, 1 0 0 0. What is that?
3 zeros, 1,000.
1,000. And that's what it says right there, right?
It's 1,000 ohms.
Right in here.
Yeah, you can hardly see it from the camera.
Yeah. But it says 1,000 ohms. Okay.
And that's it.